Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. This is a dermatologist tested hypoallergenic cream and it's suitable for sensitive skin, and it says that it does not clog your pores. I really like this. I mainly use it like in the winter. I live up north, so it gets really cold, and so sometimes the skin on my face becomes like really dry and crackly. So I really like this as like a winter moisturizer, which by the way it is a facial moisturizer. It's not like for your whole body, just as an FYI. But I really do like this product. It is my go-to for winter for dry skin. The back basically just has the information that I just said as far as online. So directions: massage skin gently over face and neck. And that's really all there is to it. I usually put this on after a toner. It's like my very last step in my whole skincare routine. So, which is quite extensive, but this is the last step. I do it after everything. So after makeup wipes, after cleansers, scrubs, toners, masks, anything like that. It's a pretty nice sized jar. Usually, like I said, I use it in the winter and it usually lasts me all winter. And yeah, it's just really, really good. I'll go ahead and open it up. There we go. I don't know if I would consider it unscented. Even I think unscented products, like any unscented lotion, still has a kind of scent to it, and I would say that that's kind of what this scent has, except maybe just a slightly more perfumey. It's white. I will say that the bottom being smaller than the top is a little annoying because once you get to the bottom, it's kind of messy. You get the product like all over your hand, but it is what it is. It's really one of the most amazing skin creams I've ever had in my life. And it lasts a good while. I don't use too much of it, so that's probably why it lasts a good while. It lasts me all winter. So when I say all winter, I mean like November through February. So about 4 months. But yeah, I don't use too much of it. This is also good if you like have any like just dry patches. Like sometimes I will also just go ahead and like throw some on like my elbows or my knees. If those become really dry, it's not a full body moisturizer. So if you have like really dry skin all over, definitely want to go for something else. This is great for your face and your neck, and I do sometimes use it on my knees and elbows, or if I sometimes get like a random dry patch on like my hand, I'll use it on my hand, but that's about it. I don't use it all over my body, nor is it meant for that. I did have someone ask me once about this product. For whatever reason, they thought it had aloe in it, so just know it does not have any aloe in it. But yeah, this product the jar does have BPA, so just know that like if for whatever reason it was in a really hot climate, like if it was summer in Florida and you left it out in the car all night, you probably don't want to use it, because then the cream will have been exposed to like, the container is plastic, and when it's like exposed to like really high heat for a while, it can emit BPA, and that'll absorb into the product, and those are like could cause like cancer. So like just know that if you do for whatever reason leave it in a climate with like really high temperatures, you're gonna want to just toss it and get a new product. I personally, if that happened, would probably put the rest of the product like down the drain or down the toilet and then toss it, so that way like, you know, I don't know if like people go through like trash cans or whatever and see it, so that they don't use it and like it hurt them or anything. But yeah, this product is very rich. It's a very thick cream, so it's thicker I think than like regular lotion. But yeah, I like to use it at night, because at night it's the last thing I put on, so I feel like my skin will keep absorbing it throughout the night. Whereas when I put it on, if I put it on in the morning, then I know I'll be putting makeup on over it, and I feel like it kind of loses some of its effect. Definitely don't want to use this if you have combination or oily skin. it is for dry skin, so it's very, very, very rich, as I said a little bit ago. So if you put it on and you have oily skin, it's gonna make it worse. So just like be aware of that it is specifically for dry skin, and it's very rich, so it's only going to be good for dry skin. It's a lot thicker than like regular lotion. But yeah, it has a pretty, like I said, it has a nice smell. The bottle itself is 6.5 ounces, so it's an odd shape, so it's not like the easiest thing to travel with, but it's not too big. Just know that if you're going to airport, you can't take it on the airplane with you. They will make you throw it away once you get through TSA. But yeah, I love this cream. It's one of my favorite ones for winter or for just whenever my skin is really dry. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.